Hey bunnies, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super stoked you're back here with me. So I decided to try something a little different, and I went to the Goodwill stores. I've seen a lot of Disney YouTubers checking out Goodwill, Salvation Army, a lot of their local thrift stores. I'm lucky enough to have two Goodwills in my area. I have one in town and one in the foothills. If you don't know, I'm from Yuma. Well, I'm not from Yuma, but I'm currently living in Yuma, Arizona. And I was, going to go check my luck and to see if I could find any Disney items. And I was lucky enough to find some really cool, really great scores at my local Goodwill. So let's go ahead and jump on in. The first item I got was this Disney The Magic Cookbook. It looks like it retailed for $16.95 wherever it was sold, and I got it for $2.99. It's got some really great recipes inside here, which I thought were super fun, and it was never written on, so that to me was awesome. It still comes with the Year of Parents magazine, so thought that was a really, really great score. Some of the items I took the sticker off already. I was going to gift them. But just trust me, I remember the prices pretty well because I was so stoked to find Disney stuff in my Goodwill. The next item I got was this Disney DVD bingo. I know some Goodwills don't allow you to open up the items that are taped. My Goodwill, one of the ladies said, no, it's fine, go ahead, you can open it and check to make sure all the items are in there, which I did on everything, but I realized someone else told me, one of the shoppers there was like, you're not supposed to do that, and I'm like, okay. So I'm not sure if that's a thing or not, but I did find this. It retailed for $2.99 or $3.99, not exactly 100%, but I mean, I bought it for that price. It looks like it was actually from Kohls, and it was $24.99. Let's see if we can get that for you guys. There you go. So that was a really great score. I haven't played it yet, but I'm excited to. I like the tin box by itself is probably worth like $3 or $4. So that was super cool. The next item is hands down my favorite item. It was this Disney Seen It DVD game. I saw they retail on Amazon for about $19.99, the same on eBay, and a lot of other stores were having it while it's on sale for $19.99. I've seen it go upwards for about $29.99, but I was super stoked to find this for only $5.99. Now, my Goodwill had two of them. It had one for $5.99, which had the complete thing, and then one for $3.99, and it was missing the little tokens, the little pieces that you move around, which was the first one I found. Now we went ahead and opened this up, and when we got home, the first thing we did was play it. They do have two versions, like a fast play and the long play. We did two long plays and absolutely loved it. So definitely worth it if you find it at your Goodwill. The next item I got was this Disney spray bottle. It is from the Disneyland Resort, Walt Disney World. It did cost me $2.99, so let's see if you guys can, $2.99. I do realize that these cost a little bit more if you go to the parks. I haven't had the time to check it out. It does need batteries, and you go buy some batteries, put some water in it, and see if it works. We are planning a vacation to Disneyland or Disney World next year, so we're looking really forward to that. And the more money we can save while we're there, the better. So stuff like this is really going to come in handy, especially because we do want to visit during one of the more hotter months. Not exactly summer, because we know it's going to be packed, but maybe either right before summer or right after summer, so it's still a little bit warm. The next item I found was this Olaf cup. I did see 3 of them, and I grabbed one for my sister who's absolutely in love with Frozen. I think I mentioned it a couple of times. And I went back to go grab the other 2, and someone else had already snagged them. So they do go really, really quick. I did grab this one for 99 cents, which I thought was a great deal. If any of you guys know how to get the residue from the sticker off, let me know. I've been trying oil, but it's not working for me. But great gift idea. And my second to last item would be this Disney mug. It's got Mickey Mouse on it. Oh, I thought this was just the cutest thing, and it is official Disney merch. Let's see if you guys can get that on there. And I was so stoked to find it. It is very small. For someone like me who has small hands, it's really great. So really liked it. Love the color. And that was only 69 cents. The Olaf cup was only 99 cents. And my last and final item would be this reading adventure from Frozen. Oh, I think I put this on wrong. So there, that way it matches. And as soon as you open it, it says, "I love warm hugs," and on the other side, "Let it go." And inside, it has some books. It's got Arendelle's Adventure, and that is a huge book from the Disney press. Thought it was super cute. It does have this little Olaf guy stand-up thing. I don't really know what goes inside this set. I wasn't able to see anything on the box that said what it came with. It did come with these icy stickers, so there are stickers in here. Now this one was lightly used, so some of the stickers are off. And then it had this coloring and activity book that was not touched, which I liked. So I put them all back in here, and this is going to be going to my sister's little girl. So we'll see if she likes that. Thought it would be really cool. I liked the outside, the cardboard dome. Thought it was super cute, and I got that for $2.99. So those are the items that I got at my local Goodwill. Hopefully you guys can go in there and rummage around. You do have to do your diligent digging. I did find Mickey and Minnie plushes. I found them. They were about $4.99, which they're $5 brand new at Kohls, and I already had the ones from Kohls, and that was about it. This is my Stitch shirt that I mentioned in another video that I got at Kohls. It was part of the 2 for $20. The other ones that I got, I thought I had my Mickey in the wash. Apparently I didn't. But this is my Mickey one. It is a boy's small. And I got my Marie one. So you guys can check those out, because I'm a lady. So cute. I thought they were just absolutely adorable. And the last Disney thing I have to show you guys is Walgreens. Now Walgreens is no longer having their $6.99 buy 2 get 2 free sale, but I did walk upon this sale. These are both dog toys, and it was 2 for $10. I couldn't resist, so I got a stretchy Jack. Let's see if you guys can see him stretch. I don't think he's got a, yeah, he does. So thought that was super cute for my babies on Christmas, and I got them an Oogie Boogie, who also makes a weird noise. So they're really gonna like that. They have a duck that makes the same sound, or a pheasant, and they absolutely love it. So that is all the stuff I have for you guys today. Hope you guys can find some great deals at a local store near you, and remember, you can always get Disney on a discount.